A Supreme Court ruling today has weakened the Voting Rights Act.
The justices ruled a congressional map in Louisiana was in fact an unconstitutional gerrymander, even though it was drawn to comply with the law. Gary Grumbach has more.
Hey there, good day. The Supreme Court today, in a 6-3 decision along ideological lines, ruled that a congressional map drawn in Louisiana in 2024 to comply with the Voting Rights Act is a, quote, unconstitutional racial gerrymander. Now, this doesn't gut the Voting Rights Act, but it sure does weaken it. The VRA was put in place in 1965 to stop map drawing that was discriminating against race, color, or language minority status. This decision today now really gives the okay for map drawing to occur that may discriminate on the basis of race, color, or language minority status. Justice Alito wrote the opinion of the court today in that 6-3 decision, and he said in part, quote, allowing race to play any part in government decision-making represents a departure from the constitutional rule that applies in almost every other context. Now, as you could imagine, Justice Kagan, who was joined by the other liberal justices on the court, was not happy about this decision. She wrote in part, quote, I dissent because the court's decision will set back the foundational right Congress granted of racial equality in electoral opportunity. So this was a big decision, one of the biggest we are waiting on this term. We still have about 32 decisions left before the term ends at the beginning of July. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Gary. We are hearing from some Hoosier lawmakers now on the Supreme Court's decision. Democrat Andre Carson, who represents the 7th District here in Indiana in Congress, releasing a statement, and here is some of it in part, quote, the Supreme Court's Louisiana decision is a blow to the Voting Rights Act. Civil rights warriors like my mentor, John Lewis, fought for this landmark bill to ensure voters are equally represented in every election. Today took us backwards. And Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita posting online saying his office supports the decision, in part, quote, voting rights in electoral districts should not be based on race. Every American's vote must be treated equally, regardless of skin color, as guaranteed by the Constitution.